So how many of you are frustrated with how unorganized your kids' bedrooms are? With all of their clothes and accessories, books, toys, and small treasures that they accumulate, it's no wonder it's a challenge. Without clear storage solutions and expectations that they need to put things where they belong, kids' bedrooms quickly become out of control. So today I am taking a new approach. I'm helping my kids to develop routines around getting organized, and then I'm giving them the right tools to make these routines easy. Hi, I'm Sharon Rowley from Mom of Six, and today I am tackling the problem that many of us have, helping the kids to keep their bedrooms organized. And I really think the best way to do this is to help them create routines to fit different parts of their day, and then give them the tools they need to make those routines work. And it all starts with a routine for getting up for the day. If your kids are old enough to be attending school, then they're old enough to wake up on their own. Teach your elementary schooler how to set the alarm on this fun Mela kids alarm clock. It wakes them up gently each day and offers sleep sounds as an option, as well as a nightlight. For tweens and teens that have a phone, this desktop phone cradle makes it easy for them to see the time at night and turn the alarm off in the morning. It's also smart to have a charging station on their desk or on a bookshelf so that all of their devices can be charged and ready for the next day. Now, if you're thinking, wait a minute, should we really allow electronics in the bedroom? Well, if you want them to use their devices as an alarm clock, then you need to establish some house rules as to when the phone has to be in the cradle at night. And if you're looking for a way to really implement those rules and restrict their online access during bedtime hours, you should check out Disney's Circle. It's an easy to set up system that allows parents to provide controls over Wi-Fi connected devices. Now, when it comes to getting dressed quickly, it's a good idea to select the entire week's worth of outfits on a Sunday night and then place them in a hanging closet organizer. No more clothing drama about what to wear at 7 a.m. So all of these things are going to help the kids get up and moving in the morning. Now let's talk about creating a homework routine for after school. You need an organized place to tackle that homework. I really recommend that every child has his or her own desk and chair, even if that means there's 2 desks side by side in a shared bedroom, like the kind my kids have. Each desk should be outfitted with a good desk lamp to provide enough light, and using a desk pad will protect the surface of the desk. I also have found that it's a good idea for each child to have a filing box that can hold study guides and completed assignments for classes that they might need to keep around as they prep for finals. And who doesn't love some cute and stylish desk accessories to add a little dose of personality to their study space? So the next routine we want to help our kids to develop is the keep your room organized routine. If your kids participate in sports or after-school activities that require uniforms or practice gear, well, it is smart to store those items in a set of bins for each child and activity. It makes it so much easier to find everything you need as you head out the door. And every kid's room should be equipped with a laundry hamper to corral dirty clothes. And if those happen to be teen clothes, you might want to place one of these odor absorbers nearby. They work great. Hooks on the wall make it so much easier to return items to their rightful place rather than convincing the kids to hang things back up on hangers. To make it really easy on your kids, install closet shelving so clothing can be stored folded on shelves versus hung on hangers. I know that my kids have a much easier time returning clean and folded laundry to shelves. Nothing ever makes it back on a hanger. We installed these DIY easy closet systems in our kids' closets, and they were half the price of other closet company systems, and they really paid for themselves because for us, it eliminated the need to purchase dressers for their rooms, and that saved us both money as well as floor space for their room. And finally, you're going to want to outline an evening routine for your kids to make it easy to start the next day. For reading before bedtime, I love to create a cozy nook for kids as an enticing place to curl up with a good book at the end of the day. A barrel chair and a cool kids floor lamp are perfect for this. Some kids prefer to stretch out on the floor and read. So we also purchased these cozy area rugs for our daughter's shared bedroom, and they're fantastic for that. I also like to have a place where the kids can hang up their backpacks when they're done with their homework. And using kids' storage lockers like these, either in their room or in a hallway near the door, can help you keep everything organized to get them off the next day. So there you have it, the routines and the tools that you can put into place to help your kids organize their rooms and keep them that way. I'll drop links for everything I've talked about down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of our videos. I'll see you soon.